Mom, I'm so sorry you've had to go through all of this. Now that I'm older, I can see it more clearly. It seems like all your life, no one has been around to show you what it really means to be loved. A baby girl should have a mother and father who can't get enough of holding her close to their chests. Grandmothers, grandfathers, uncles, and aunts who love keeping her beautifully dressed. Her life should be lived in a loving embrace that fills her with warmth to the core. She should be fed and cleaned and wrapped up with care, with kisses and sweetness galore. But you never had what you should from the start. There was nobody hearing the cry of your heart. You reached in the dark wanting someone to care. All you had to hold on to was hope that somewhere there was somebody hearing your prayer. And I can't change your past, but maybe now at last you can receive the love you always should have had. A little girl should have toys and play clothes to her heart's content, and a wardrobe from which she can choose any number of outfits for special events to go with her favorite shoes. She should have sleepover parties with friends she can trust, with the secrets she chooses to share. Someone who tells her how pretty she looks when she tries different styles with her hair. But you never had what you should from the start. You didn't let on that you felt torn apart. You searched to find love that was stable and real, someone who'd say you didn't have to conceal everything you feel. And though I can't change your past, maybe now at last you can receive the love you always should have had. Hear me say you're beautiful. Hear me say you're cherished. Hear me say I'll love you to the end. Now that I'm old enough to help you, and now that I understand, I'll be more than a son, I'll be your friend. Starting now we can begin again. Every girl should be raised around men who love to protect her purity and delicate frame. She should have women who guide her to know her own heart and not let the world put out its flame. She should have space to be free and to dance in the sun and run wild with the string of a kite. Her laughter should swirl through the clouds of the day, and her song reach the moon in the night. And though you never had what you should from the start, it's not too late to be healed in your heart. You can run daughter you wanted to be. And though I can't change your past, maybe now at last you can receive the love you always should have had. Hopefully now you'll be surrounded by the love